if you know how to look at the functions and the inequalities, you can utilize those to help you without graphing all of these. However, I'm going to go through the process of graphing piecewise function so you can see how to do this for this question. So we'll start with the function. You're going to type x squared plus 2x plus 2. And then when it says for or if there's just a comma, you'll do a squiggly bracket. You'll hold down shift in the button next to P on your keyboard. Then you'll type in the inequality, -2 less than x less than 1, just like that. One line. And then after you do that, let me move that a little bit over here. Um, you'll go to the next line and do the next one. So x plus 2, bracket, -5 less than x less than or equal to -2. And then you'll have negative absolute value of x minus 3. And then squiggly bracket again, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. So we want to just get a verification of if we're getting a similar graph. And this looks very much like the graph that I have. So what we'll do is we'll click on some points to make sure that we have the right values. So with this one right here, that's the x plus 2. And you can see that on the graph, it has an open circle on the left side and a closed circle on the right. So if I scroll over here, it might say undefined or not give me that number. That's an open circle. And you can see that less than symbol is going to give you an open circle. And over here, be careful when it hits the x-axis because sometimes it doesn't give you that value. But that should be a closed circle because the less than or equal to. So that part matches up. This one right here, that should be an open circle because it's this purple one here less than. And that should be an open circle here. Now notice it doesn't give me the value here, but that's still going to be undefined. There's no place to plug that in. So that should be an open circle at both of those, which matches up with our graph. And then down here, I'm looking for a closed circle. And over here, a closed circle. And that's because of the less than or equal to or less than or equal to. So it looks like I got lucky and my first answer choice is the right one. So that's going to be this one right here. And just go through and verify that the other ones don't work as well. And you can type them in just like that and make a couple modifications.